In this short video, I'll show you how to highlight text while you're composing email on Outlook. So as you can see right now, I'm in new email window and here's I write it a line. Now to highlight any word, first of all select the word, and now here a text editor window will open. Now just clicking on this highlight option, and now from here you can select a color for highlight the word. And to highlight our entire line, just select the line, and you can directly go to format text, and here just click on highlight and just go ahead and highlight your text or line. So this is how we can highlight text in Outlook using background color. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.